Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Creativeugo is my channel. Don't forget to always like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Creativeugo is the name of my channel. In today's tutorial, we shall be learning how to design African folk tales, African folktale stories. When we talk of all these African folktales, all these stories, all these African movies, we are going to learn how they are being designed today. How do you design them? That's what we are going to be learning today. How to design an African folktale story from scratch to finish. From scratch to finish. That's what we are going to do today. It will be so simplified. So from scratch to finish, an African folktale story. Most time that talks about what has happened in the past, all these stories. Now we are going to simplify it. Let's head down to ChatGPT. We'll get to ChatGPT. We are going to tell it, let's ask it for a prompt. Let's ask it for a prompt. Okay, let's say, give me topics for African folktale stories. Name a topic, then you choose any topic of your choice. It's going to give you a topic. Look at it: the greedy hunter, the great mistake, the tortoise who outsmart the king, the wicked stepmother, the curse of the sacred forest, the proud. Look at it, it's giving us over thousands, over 50. So we can decide to choose any one and ask it to simplify it for us. Okay, let's choose the king who lost the crown. I'll copy it, then I'll paste it. I will now tell it to make it to appear in 6 scenes. It can be 3, 6 scenes. Make it to appear in 6 scenes. Then we send it. We're going to now, you see, it has made it that appeared in 6 scenes. The grand truth celebration, the search begins, the mysterious clue. Then what we are going to do now, we come here, we copy this. We are going to copy it. Now we are using 2 apps. Either we are using YouTube to generate or we are using Flow AI. But the problem with Flow AI is the credit value of it. So we'll come here, we'll copy, then we'll head to YouTube. Most time YouTube have some restriction over some words. If it doesn't work, then we'll go to Flow AI. Then we'll come here, we'll click it. It's still loading. Video. When you click video, that prompt we copied, we'll paste it. The prompt we copied, we'll paste it there. Then we'll now send it. The prompt to copy, yes, is going. Okay, it's loading. Give it some time, it's loading. It's loading. Remember, we're doing it in 6 scenes. The wicked is loading. Let's give it some time. It's going to load and process. That's the first scene, because most time movies appear in several scenes. One of the things you must always do, always tell it to make the characters look exactly the same in every scene. Sometimes they change their clothes to look different, but for the unique nature, you can make it to appear in the same format. So we have started. Okay, still loading. Still loading. Okay, you see, this is the one of the challenge we are having with them. Say can't create image, realistic image of people, try a different description, and so we can go back and decide to change maybe 1 or 2 things in it. But because of time factor, we are going to dash down to Flow AI and use Flow AI. room to add several. The time frame is only 10 seconds. So what we do, create it in 10 seconds. That is over 60 seconds. So it will make up. So we'll do it in scene so that we can get different views. So it's loading. Good, it's loading. So this is the first scene. This is the first scene. It's loading. 54. Let's give it some time. It's still loading. Okay, I think it's ready. Now let's play it. See it. This is it. So let's just wait. So let's download.
We celebrate the harvest with joy and dance. But where is my crown? It was just here. The crown is lost.
Download. Let's give it some time. So it has downloaded successfully. So we'll go back to that AI, that ChatGPT. Copy the second prompt. We are going to copy the second prompt now. And remember, don't forget to our title is the king's lost crown. So we'll copy second thing. We'll come over to this point, Flow AI again. Now, if you check carefully, you discover that we still have 25 credits. So we'll go to new. We'll click this. Then we'll put it. Then we don't put, it's not image, it's video we're looking out for. Then we'll put 16.9 because it's a YouTube work. Then we'll send. So it's going to still generate. Now, one thing you can pay, as I keep saying, you can subscribe for more credits. But I'm using the free version. So we are going to end in the third scene because after this now, we still have like 15 credits left. So we're going to end in the third scene. So it's loading. Then one of the things we do when we are done with them, we gather all together, pack them together. Then we'll make sure we make it as one scene. That's what we do, either with InShot or CapCut. So it's still loading. Let's give it some time. It's at 40% now. Before it's going to go to 47, 48. Let's take some this. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it has loaded. You see, you observe something now. The second scene is entirely different.
The king's guards searched every corner of the kingdom, but the crown could not be found.
But we can decide
Fear spread throughout the land. The king's guards searched every corner of the kingdom, but the crown could not.
Let's download it. This is the second phase. Okay, it has downloaded. Now, if you check it, what we have left, let's check. If you check it, what we have left is 13 credits. So we can only, let's go and copy the third scene. Go to ChatGPT. We'll click this. Then we'll go to the third scene. So go to the third scene. The mistake we did was we would have made it 3 scenes. So because since this is the only thing we only have the credit. Okay. But I believe we have gotten the major factor. So we'll come over to Flow AI again. This is Flow AI. We still have 13 credits. I used to check the credit. It's very important so that you don't go out of credit. So now one of the things I said, make sure you write, let the character be maintained in their dressing, in their attitude throughout the scene. So we now paste it. Then remember we are dealing with we are left with 13 credit. Let's put it here. Now, since we are left with 13 credit, we can decide to use 12 Omni Flash. We can use 12. So put it here. It will still go. So we're still left with 13 credits. We're left with 13 credits. So it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Let's give it some time. So when this third scene is done loading, we'll now go to InShot, merge them together as one video. If you want to edit it, you can still edit it. You want to remove anything you want to add. But these are the ways you can create an African folktale story. See how simplified it is. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. So it's still loading. It's in 35%. 35%. 41%, 43, 44, 48, 49. It's still loading. I believe we understand the step by step from scratch. Step by step from scratch. Okay, now is look at it. So look at the third part of it. So let's download. Download.
Your kindness is your greatest strength,
The
boy.
spiral reveals what you seek.
Okay, this is it. This is the third
Your kindness
version
is your
of it.
greatest strength,
The
boy.
spiral reveals what you seek.
So this is the story. So we can now go to InShot. Let's go to InShot, or we can use CapCut, any of them. I prefer InShot most times. Let's go to InShot.
If you're happy
Then
and you
that
know
was the
it,
format video we did. Then you click create new. When you click, remember, you allow access. You click this allow access. Okay. Then you go over to this. Now click this so that we can go back and remember. Just remember that what we did, this is the first. We just okay. We are not seeing it. Remember, when you click this again, this is the first. This is the second. I think we are not seeing the third. So what we'll do now, let's go back to Flow AI and make sure it's downloaded properly. Okay, we are still here. This is the third scene. We must make sure that it's downloaded properly. So I will download it, open it.
Your kindness is your greatest strength,
The
boy.
spiral reveals what you seek.
So we are going to now go back to InShot. Now the story is a little bit not complete because we give 6 scenes and we're using only 3. So we are here now. We can now go to album. Let's see here. These are the videos now. It's here. We pick this. We pick this. No, we don't pick it in that order. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Then we'll allow it together on InShot. We'll still go back again. Don't forget the format. That is the most important thing. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. So we'll go back. We'll click it. Have you seen it? So we can now
We celebrate the harvest with joy and dance. But where is my crown? It was just here. The crown is lost.
The king's guards searched every corner of the kingdom, but the crown could not be found. Fear spread throughout the land. Your kindness is your greatest strength,
The
boy.
spiral reveals what you seek.
So when we are done, we'll now export it as one video. We export it. So we can change it to 720 so that we can reduce the data that will be consumed for exporting. So we can now export it.
All
Remember,
video
there's
downloading and
ad.
playing.
There's ad will play. So we close it. Now it's loading. When it's done loading, we are not sure that we are not sure that we have a full complete folktale story. So it's downloaded. So let's play. This is the downloaded.
We celebrate the harvest with joy and dance. But where is my crown? It was just here. The crown is lost.
Okay.
The king's guards searched every corner of the kingdom, but the crown could not be found. Fear spread throughout the land. Your kindness is your greatest strength,
The
boy.
spiral reveals what you seek.
We are done. We can now save. Okay.